Hello everyone, Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome back to Mugdad Studio. So this is actress Preeti Singh Rajput back again in this line, and I'm gonna show you a beautiful wedding collection, Andy. So any guesses what I'm gonna show you? Yes, it's a beautiful and pure Kanchipattu collection, Andy. It's a wedding collection and mata. Pure Kanchipattu, Andy. So it's a beautiful pink color and orange color and mata. And silver zari work. "100% pure Kanchipattu, 4-gram Kanchipattu sarees, Andy. And beautiful bridal collection. So anybody who's looking for a bridal collection, this is the place you have to come. So I'm gonna show you the sarees now. And these are all one single pieces, Andy. So each and every saree, Kanchipattu saree, is designed beautifully and unique. So similarity ledu. So we have only single pieces, Andy. So let me quickly show you the sarees which are on display first. This is a beautiful violet color Kanchipattu here. So this is the work. You can see golden zari work, leaf, jal, local of fillings. And red color contrast border. And we have crochet motifs, peacock motifs on the border with golden zari work, Andy. So these are all bridal collection, Andy. And here goes our next saree in yellow color. All over the saree we have floral jal with golden zari work on it, and the borders are sky blue color border. So yellow and sky blue color combination. We have cross line motifs and floral motifs with golden zari on the borders. So each and every saree has its own unique beauty, Andy. So we have only one single pieces, so please do not miss on your favorite design. And here goes our next saree, orange color saree. So we have leaf motifs like this, golden leaf jal and golden and silver zari work, and orange color contrast border. We have elephant motifs, cross line motifs and diamond motifs with golden zari work. So these are all pure Kanchipattu, Andy. And here goes our next saree in pink color with green color combination. We have leaf jal all over the saree, floral motifs, golden and silver zari work. So we basically have silver zari work under here and resham work as well. So pure zari and resham work, and on the border part we have golden zari work, cross line motifs and floral motifs, Andy. And here's our next saree in silver color with maroon border. So it's a perfect blend of western and traditional combination, Andy. So look at the saree. We have this cross check motifs, local of fillings with silver zari, and we have this beautiful border in maroon color, peacock motifs of chai, and rudraksh motifs of chai, and cross line motifs with golden zari work. All over the saree silver zari, Andy, and saree border vachesi golden zari. And here's our next saree in beautiful peach color and sky blue color border. So very unique combination and mata. So you will not find this combination anywhere and only here in Mugdandi. And look at the design here with silver zari and pure resham work, Andy. And the border is in sky blue color. So here's our next saree, lighter shade of green color, floral motifs of chai, and This is a beautiful wedding collection, Andy. What I'm showing you, it's for bridal collection, Andy. So we have resham work all over the sari, and on the borders it's a cross line motifs. So this is green and red combination, and here we have got the copper zari work, Andy. So floral jal motifs వచ్చాయి, jal లోపల fillings వచ్చాయి, which is a copper zari work on it. And you can see the copper zari on the borders as well. So this is a green and red combination, Andy. So we have this beautiful wedding collection here. So for brides and all, so anybody who's looking for wedding sarees, so this is the place. And we also have these, we have only individual unique designs, Andy. So if you're looking for more designs, so we have in Secunderabad store. So let me quickly start the next sari. The beautiful bridal sari, Andy. We have in cream and red color. Flower motifs with golden zari work all over the sari. And borders, red color borders. So very traditional sari, Andy, for wedding purpose, for brides. And we have this big border, Andy, this side, peacock motifs వచ్చాయి, diamond motifs వచ్చాయి, with pure golden zari work. And mali చెప్తున్నానండి, these are all pure 100% pure కంచిపట్టు sarees, అండి, what I'm showing you. And this is the look of the pallu. It's a beautiful saree, and the blouse is like this. And coming to the price, this is 25,000. So next sari, so this is our next sari, golden color, orange color and mata, floral jal, pure golden zari work, and ink blue color borders. So this side we have small border, this side we have big border, and the cross line motifs, cross check motifs, beautiful golden zari work low, and bird motifs also. So these are all 4 grams zari, and what I'm showing you, pure Kanchipattu collection, and this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this sari is 48,500. So next sari is silver color, wow, and magenta color border. Such a beautiful color combination, Andy. So leaf jal వచ్చాయి, లోపల fillings వచ్చాయి, silver zari all over the sari, Andy, even on the borders, pure silver zari. So you can see beautiful sari here, and on the borders we have floral motifs and cross check motifs with pure silver zari. Beautiful color combination, Andy, and the pallu is like this. And let me show you the blouse for this sari. So this is how the blouse is, with big border, Andy, cross check motifs on the blouse, pure Kanchipattu collection, Andy, mali చెప్తున్నాను. And the price for this sari is 32,500. The next sari చూసేద్దాం. So this is a beautiful golden color sari, Andy, with green color border, traditional color combination. So all over the sari we have this jal motifs, Andy, jal local fillings వచ్చాయి, and a bottle green color border. We have cross line motifs and elephant motifs and floral motifs, Andy, on the borders with pure golden zari work. The price of this blue color sari is 38,500. Selection, and this is the pallu. And coming to the blouse, this is the blouse ending. And coming to the price of this sari, it's 48,500. So next sari chusita. This is in silver again with blue color border, sky blue color border. And we have jal motifs and the jal color fillings ochai, golden zari work, okay? Pure golden zari. And borders is like sky blue color border, and we have floral motifs and diamond motifs on it with pure golden zari work. And blue and this color is like just awesome and beautiful color combination. And this is the look of the pallu. Are you able to hear the design, Andy? This is the blouse. And the price for this sari is 22,500. Next sari chusita. This is in golden color again. And we have pure golden zari work along with that resham work as well. And red color contrast border. So it chala beautifully highlight avutundi every border on the sari. So we have golden and resham work on the all over the sari. And borders are like red color. We have cross line motifs, peacock motifs and diamond motifs with pure golden zari work. And this is the look of the pallu. And this is the blouse. And the price for this sari is 52,500 only. So next sari, beautiful bridal collection. I'm just loving all these saris, Andy. And this is a lighter shade of sky blue color. Jal motifs ochai, local fillings ochai. And red color border. We have cross-line motifs and floral motifs on the borders with pure golden zari work. So these are all pure Kanchipattu saris and the Malli cheptunanu because there will be people joining us late. And this is the pallu. It's a beautiful bridal wear collection what I'm showing you in this live. And this is the look of the blouse. And the price for this sari is 48,500. So this is our next sari in silver with sea green color border. Wow, chala beautiful on the sari. Lovely color combination. Perfect bridal collection and ikkada. So we have golden silver zari work all over the sari, pure zari, 100% zari. And look at the border, sea green border, cross line motifs, diamond motifs and peacock motifs on it with silver. So such a lovely sari. And this is the pallu. And the blouse, let me show you the blouse. So this is the blouse. Beautiful blouse. And the price for this sari is 48,500. So we have all unique designs అండి. So మీకు ఏది నచ్చుతుందో స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి and WhatsApp చేయండి, and our sales team will be there to respond to you and assist you for placing the orders. And Google Pay numbers కూడా మెన్షన్ చేసి ఉంది so that you can make the payment online. So ఇది కూడా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని హ్యాండీగా పెట్టుకోండి. And apart from shipping all over India, we are also shipping internationally. So let me show you the next sari now. So this is a sea green color sari andi, and red color border. So this has got a beautiful western design and border, traditional border. Jal motifs వచ్చాయి, golden silver zari work andi. Here we have got all silver zari work, jal local fillings వచ్చాయి. You can see the circle and lotus fillings andi. Pure silver zari work and red color contrast border, cross line motifs and floral motifs with golden zari. So borders lo golden zari వచ్చాయి, and body of the sari has got silver zari work, and the pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this. Beautiful contrast blouse andi, you can see. So very contrast blouse ochindi, and the price for this saree is 48,500. So these are all pure Kanchipattu sarees andi, 100% pure zari, mali cheptunnanu. And this is the next saree in pink color. Floral motifs, pure resham work, and the border is in coffee brown color, dark coffee color border. So very unique combination, coffee brown borders with pink color sari. And we have cross line motifs and peacock motifs and mango motifs on the borders with pure golden zari work. And this is the look of the pallu. And the blouse, contrast coffee, dark coffee color lo unnai, and we have beautiful work on it with border. It's a very beautiful combination, and the price for this saree is 38,500. So next saree is in beautiful sky blue color. So we have checks and it's a beautiful unique checks pattern, silver zari work and local fillings వచ్చాయి, small floral and circle fillings అన్నమాట. So these are all pure Kanchipattu collection and what I'm showing you, pure 100% pure zari work have been used here. And border lo వచ్చేసి we have golden zari work andi. So orange color border, golden zari work, peacock motifs, circle motifs and cross line motifs with pure golden zari. So చూస్తున్నారు కదా, each and every saree has its own unique beauty. So ఏమి similar sarees లేదు ఇక్కడ. And this is the look of the pallu. So these are all bridal collection andi. And this is the blouse. And the price for this saree వచ్చేసి 27,000. Next saree. So this is our next saree in silver color. Beautiful floral creepers and the golden zari work lo, silver saree lo golden zari work వచ్చాయి, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉందండి. And green color contrast border, big borders అండి on both the sides. Same borders, big borders on both the sides. We have peacock motifs, circle motifs, golden zari work andi all over the saree. This is a beautiful color combination again, and this is the look of the pallu. me show you properly. I'm just loving all these saris. I don't feel like removing it. This is the look of the pallu. And let me show you the blouse. The blouse is like this. There's uchai on both the sides so that you can design it for your arms. And the price for this sari is 44,500. Here comes the next sari. Beautiful magenta color sari with green color border. So these are all pure Kanchipattu bridal wear collection, what I'm showing you, Andy. So we have floral jal here. So this is a zari by zari sari, Andy. So we have floral jal with beautiful golden zari work on it. And this is the border in green color. We have peacock motifs, mango motifs with pure golden zari. And all over the sari we have silver and golden, both the zaris have been used there. And this is the look of the pallu. And the blouse is like this. Contrast green color blouse. And the price for this sari is 48,500. Next sari to sit down. Wow, this is another pretty combination. Sky blue color and red color borders. We have jal motifs, jal lower fillings uchai, golden zari work low. And sky blue color sari look, pink color border. Very beautiful combination. We have peacock motifs, circle motifs. Pure golden zari work, Andi. These are all pure Kanchipattu collection. Bridal wear saris. And this is the look of the pallu. And blouse. Wow, we have this beautiful contrast blouse, Andi. Pink color look. Lighter shade of pink color look blouse. And the borders are in red color. And the price for this sari is 42,500. Next sari. So this is our next pure Kanchipattu collection. So all over the sari we have this boxes, cross square, pure golden zari work on this pink sari. And we have small, very thin border this side, and this side, this big is the border. We have cross-line motifs and peacock motifs on the border, Andy. It's a lovely sari, and this is the pallu. And the blouse. The look of the blouse is like this. And the price for this sari is 48,500. Here goes our next sari in beautiful lighter shade of mauve color, Andy. So this is how the sari is, floral jal. And this big is the border. So we have golden zari work all over the sari. Beautiful floral jal and red color contrast border. So look at this border here. We have diamond motifs only, mango motifs only with golden zari work. So this is a beautiful color combination. So look at this details of the sari. is the pallu. So chala beautiful pallu andi, and the blouse vachesi this is how it is. And the price for this saree is 48,500. So next saree chuddam. So this is a lighter shade of pink color and green color border. Wow, what beautiful combination. So floral jal, golden zari work lo chai all over the saree. This side we have cross line motifs on the borders, and this side we have this big border here. So we have green and blue color border, floral motifs with golden zari work on the borders, and the pallu is like this, and the blouse is like this. So these are all pure Kanchipattu collection, and we have all unique design, and the price for this one is 38,500. So for orders, all the beautiful ladies out there, take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us on this number only. And we have mentioned the Google Pay numbers as well here, so that you can make the payment online. And we are not just shipping all over India, we also have international courier services. So anybody from anywhere can order from Mugdha. We will be happily there to do the shipment for you all. So let me show you the next saree now. So the price for the saree I'm wearing is 48,500. The next saree, silver color indeed, beautiful silver color and mauve color border. Look at the shine, it's a beautiful shine on the saree. Pure Kanchipattu collection, bridal collection indeed. And we have all small booties with silver zari work, mango motifs kuda vachai. And look at the border, we have big border here, peacock motifs, cross line motifs and diamond motifs with silver zari. So ee saree lo we have all silver zari andi, pure silver zari. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And coming to the price of this saree, it is 38,500. Next saree, beautiful sea green color and ink blue color border. Jal motifs vachai, jal lopala fillings vachai. Pure resham work is also being used here, along with golden zari work. Jal part vachesi golden zari work andi, lopala vachesi silver zari. So these are pure zari. And we have blue color border. So this side we have a small border, and this side we have this medium border, diamond motifs, cross line motifs with pure golden zari work. And this is the look of the pallu. And the blouse is like this. We have this beautiful cross line motifs on the blouse along with borders. And the price for this saree vachesi 42,500. So this is our next saree in cream color. We have golden zari work, floral motifs and red color resham work. Beautiful saree. And this side we have a small border, cross line motifs and green color finishing on the border. And this side, the big border indeed, we have cross line motifs, ఫ్లోరల్ మోటివ్స్ వచ్చాయి. So this is a pure కంచి పట్టు అండి, and this is the pallu part of the blouses. And the price for this saree 38,500. So next saree చూసేద్దాం. So this is another cream color saree with red color combination border. So we have checks motifs ఉన్నాయి, silver zari work లో, and లోపల fillings వచ్చేసి golden zari work లో ఉన్నాయి. We have beautiful lotus అండి, and peacock and floral fillings అండి లోపల, and red color contrast border. So పెద్ద border వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ, and we have stripe motifs and peacock motifs golden zari work లో. And pallu వచ్చేసి this is how it is, and the blouse is like this. Contrast red color blouse. And the price for this saree is 27,000. So next saree చూసేద్దాం. This is a golden color saree and with violet color border. చూస్తున్నారు కదా ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా షైన్ అవుతుంది సారీ. ప్యూర్ కంచిపట్టు కలెక్షన్ అండి, అండ్ ఇక్కడ క్రాస్ చెక్ మోటివ్స్ వచ్చాయి, క్రాస్ చెక్ లోపల ఫిల్లింగ్స్ వచ్చాయి, సర్కిల్ ఫిల్లింగ్స్ అండి. And this is the silver zari andi on this saree. All over the saree we have beautiful silver zari, and border వచ్చేసి golden zari work వచ్చాయి. We have cross checks and peacock motifs and floral motifs on the border. And this is the pallu, and the blouse is like this. And the price for this saree వచ్చేసి 68,000. So these are all bridal wear, bridal collection. Beautiful color combinations తో వచ్చాయి. So మళ్ళీ silver color saree with green color border. So saree lo we have jal andi, jal silver color, silver zari work lo jal వచ్చాయి. And all over the saree we have beautiful silver zari work andi. Even on the green border we have silver zari work, peacock motifs, cross line motifs and cross check motifs and lopular fillings. And the pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this saree వచ్చేసి 38,500. The next saree చూసిద్దాం. So this is a sky blue color saree. We have floral motifs, golden zari work lo, and border is magenta color border. This side we've got a pink border and we have peacocks, cross lines with golden zari. So all over the saree it's a golden zari work. And these are all pure kanchipattu collection, bridal wear collection. Mali cheptunanu because there will be people joining us late kada. And this is the pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి, so this is the blouse andi. Contrast blouse, golden shade lo, and the price for this saree వచ్చేసి 33,750. This is our next saree, pink color. So it's a very beautiful pink andi. Some different pink. Cross check motifs వచ్చాయి with purple color border. Cross check motifs లోపల fillings వచ్చాయి. Silver zari work, pure silver and resham work have been used andi in this saree. And this side we have a little big border. So we have cross line motifs and floral motifs with pure silver zari work. And this is the look of the pallu. and the blouse is like this. Beautiful blouse, contrast blouse, and the price for this saree is 38,500. So all the beautiful ladies out there, those who are looking for bridal collection, this is the place. So please do not miss on your favorite saree and start ordering. This is the next saree in cream color with sea blue color border. Jal motifs achai, jal local fillings achai, and this is silver saree work here. On this golden saree, we have silver saree used and small borders on both the sides. So we have this triangle motifs, floral motifs, and cross line motifs andi. And these are all pure Kanchipattu collections andi. It's a very beautiful material, so there's no doubt in the material. This is the look of the pallu. And the blouse is like this. A very lovely blouse with border. And coming to the price, this is 38,500. Next saree in green color with pink color border. Jal motifs achai, silver zari work lo. No, these are all golden zari work andi, antique gold. And local fillings achai, mango motifs, pure resham zari work lo. So look at the details of the saree. It is so beautifully designed. Beautiful wedding collections andi. And this is the border in pink color, cross line motifs and peacock motifs with pure golden zari work on it. And this is the look of the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this saree ochesi 42,500. So here's our next saree in green color. Cross checks, local fillings, jal motifs. Pink color border, so very light green, though light pink border and mata. So very beautiful and unique color combination andi. So we find only in Mukta, and this is the border here. So we have diamond motifs andi, peacock motifs with pure golden zari work on it. The lovely saree. And this is the look of the pallu. So anybody who likes this lighter shade, so this is the one. Beautiful shine on the saree, pure Kanchipattu collection andi. And this is the blouse. And the price for this saree ochesi 48,500. So here goes the next saree andi in yellow color with magenta color border. Lovely combination. Jal motifs ochai, jal local fillings ochai. It's a floral jal. So you can see all the sarees has its own beauty andi. So there is no similar pattern saree. So ikkada bird motifs kuda vachayandi. If you see the details along with floral jal, it's actually bird to jal vachai and local floral fillings vachai. And we have purple color border, cross check motifs and peacock motifs with pure golden zari work. This is a lovely combination, and this is the look of the pallu. And let me show you the blouse for this saree. So this is how it is. So contrast blouse ochai, and the price for this saree is 25,000. So next saree చూసేద్దాం. So here goes our next floral motifs అండి. Pure రేషం work and golden zari work on it. Self border వచ్చాయి. Border లో we have cross line motifs and floral motifs అండి. So we have pure golden zari work. So look at the details of the saree. So we have floral motifs, రేషం and golden zari work లో leaf part వచ్చేసి golden zari. So this is zari by zari saree. 100% pure Kanchipattu collection. So this looks more western style floral motifs online, and this is the pulse. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this saree is 48,500. Next saree, wow, this is a lovely green and grey color border. So very unique pattern. So look at this, half saree we have check motifs with silver zari. So all over the saree silver zari, right? And here check motifs with check motifs local of fillings. And this half we have this design. See, we have floral design this part. It's a very unique saree. And we have small borders and in grey color, cross line motifs and circle motifs on the borders, silver zari work look. So lovely saree, and this is the pallu. And blouse vachesi in grey color like this. This is the blouse. And the price for this saree is, actually this was the silk mark and this is the silk mark. So this proves that this is a pure Kanchipattu collection andi. So let me get back to you on the price for this saree. Yeah, thank you. And the price of Chesi 48,500. So next saree in golden color, pale yellow color, golden zari work on it. Beautiful leaf jal local of floral motifs vachai. And golden border, golden zari border, cream color border, cross line motifs and floral motifs. So look at the details of the saree. It's a very beautiful color indeed. The shine is like amazing. It's a perfect bridal wear. Lovely saree, and this is the pallu. So cross check motifs, local of fillings ochai. And let me show you the blouse now. So blouse is like this. So very unique pattern blouse ochai, and the price for this saree is 48,500. And this is our next saree in green, parrot green color. So half and half pattern. So this side we have this very small checks and very small checks, crisscross motifs, and this side we have floral part, like floral motifs, and ration work, pure ration work. You can see green, yellow flowers, and we have small borders, yellow color borders with green color finishing, cross line motifs on the borders. This is a beautiful saree, and this is the look of the pallu part. And the blouse is contrast yellow color lo unnai. So this is how the blouse is. So blouses are like really designed beautifully andi. So that was a silk mark again, and let me search the price. Thank you. And the price for this saree is 48,500. So next saree choosing the So this is our next sari in lighter shade of pink color and resham work unai. We have this small booties with resham work andi. It's a jal motif. Jal local resham work uchai. And this side, it's a big border. You can see we have checks, local floral motifs and cross-line motifs here with beautiful pure golden zari work on it. So this is also a beautiful color, and this is the look of the pallu. And the blouse is like this. So let me tell you the price for this sari. It is 58,500. So these are all wedding collections and the bridal collections. Mali cheptunanu. 100% pure Kanchipattu saris. And this is our next golden sari. We have checks motifs, golden zari workflow, resham workflow, lotus motifs. And look at the borders here. So very unique border indeed. Borders low, resham work low, floral motifs ochai, and golden zari kuda ochai. So this is a very unique sari. All the saris depend kada has its own beauty indeed. So there's no similarity. Each and every sari has its own unique beauty. And this is the pallu. Blouse is like this. So look at the blouse here, designed beautifully. Borders ochesi checks ochai, and a beautiful blouse only. And coming to the price of this sari, I have to search for the price. Yeah, here it is. So the price for this sari is 48,500. So the last but not the least, this is a pink color Kanchipattu, pure Kanchipattu collection. We have leaf jal, beautiful leaf motifs from left to right, golden zari work, resham work, and pink color contrast border. Silver zari work kuda vachayandi. Inside these leaves, the fillings are silver zari, and we have cross-line motifs and elephant motifs and peacocks on the border with pure golden zari work. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this with borders. And the price for this sari ochesi 48,500. I'm just loving all these saris, and I hope you all are loving beautiful bridal and wedding collection. So all the beautiful ladies out there, quickly take a screenshot of your favorite sari and send it to us in this contact number, and our sales team will be there to assist you happily for processing your orders. You can see all these saris are unique and you can also, if you want to go for more Kanchipattu saris, do come at our Secunderabad branch. So I hope you all loved it. So that's all for now from beautiful Kanchipattu collections. I will soon get back to you with another collection. So till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.